Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can disable the startup apps on Windows 11. Startup apps are the apps or the application when you turn on your system, these application runs automatically on your system and consume the memory as well as the CPU and the system resources. So in this video, I will show you how you can reduce it and how you can make your system faster. Simply open the task manager from right click, open task manager, and you should be able to see if this is showing like this. Most of the window it should appear like this. Click on this option which says hover up to that application and it is showing startup apps. Click on this app, and once you click on this app you can see its exe or the apps. By default these applications are enabled. You just need to disable them like this. Disable all the application if those are running, for example this, and just leave the security one is enabled. Rest of everything you can disable it. So this is the quick video guys, and simply you should able to see the performance is better after applying these methods, and lagging issues should be fixed by 5 to 10%. So that's all for this video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.